Ever wondered who's behind the mind-blowing advancements in artificial intelligence? Who's developing the language models that are revolutionizing how we interact with technology? Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been buzzing around. Is Gemini a US-based company? Now, before we get into the specifics, let's set the stage. Gemini, developed by Google, is a powerful and versatile AI model. It's capable of generating human-like text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. It's a game changer, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. 1. www.automatebard.com. www.automatebard.com. But where does this incredible technology originate? Is Gemini a product of American innovation, or is it a global effort? Let's unravel this mystery together. First things first, let's understand what we mean by US-based. Does it simply mean the company was founded in the US? Or does it refer to the primary location of research and development? These nuances are crucial when discussing the origins of complex technologies like Gemini. Google, the parent company of Gemini, is undeniably an American tech giant. Founded in California, it has its roots firmly planted in the United States. However, Google's reach extends far beyond its American shores. It has offices and research centers scattered across the globe, from Silicon Valley to London, Tokyo, and beyond. So, where does Gemini fit into this global picture? While the core development likely involves teams across Google's global network, it's safe to say that a significant portion of the research and development happens within the United States. Google's AI research division, Google AI, has a strong presence in the U.S., with leading researchers and engineers contributing to the advancement of Gemini. But it's crucial to remember that AI development is a collaborative effort. Gemini, like many other groundbreaking technologies, is a product of a diverse global talent pool. Researchers and engineers from various backgrounds and nationalities contribute their expertise to the project. Google actively recruits top talent from around the world. This diverse perspective enriches the development process, leading to more innovative and robust AI models. So, while Gemini may have a strong American foundation, it's a testament to the power of global collaboration in pushing the frontiers of AI. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the broader implications of where AI like Gemini is developed. The ethical considerations surrounding AI are paramount. Issues like bias, fairness, and the responsible use of AI are crucial to address. The location of AI development can significantly impact these considerations. For example, different countries have varying regulations and ethical guidelines for AI research and deployment. This can influence how AI models are developed, tested, and ultimately used. It's important to have open and ongoing discussions about the ethical frameworks that guide AI development. These discussions should involve researchers, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of humanity. Looking ahead, the future of AI development will likely involve even greater international collaboration. The challenges we face in AI, such as climate change, healthcare, and poverty, are global in nature. Addressing these challenges requires a collective effort, transcending geographical boundaries. By fostering international cooperation in AI research and development, we can leverage the combined expertise of researchers worldwide to create solutions that benefit everyone. So, to answer the initial question, while Gemini has strong roots in the United States, it's a product of global collaboration. It's a testament to the power of diverse perspectives and the importance of international cooperation in advancing cutting-edge technologies. The development of AI like Gemini is not just about technological advancement, it's about shaping the future of our world. By understanding the origins of these technologies and engaging in thoughtful discussions about their ethical implications, we can ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the betterment of humanity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.